So welcome to my channel, and let's start with design. Select front plane and then do your curve, and before that just check out that you are in mmgs or in IPS. The length is 390 mm and height is 223 mm. We are going to make the frame of your bicycle, so just select the plane. We are going to make one plane over there. So making the plane, first select your line and then select that point where you want to make the plane. Then select your elliptical, draw an elliptical over there. Select plane 1, design one elliptical over there of 35 mm width and 65 mm height, and then other plane, just make one elliptical also. Its height is 55 mm and width is 35 mm, and then do that lofted part. Because of that curve and not proper placing over it creates problem. Then make it length of that curve as 396.67, and then we will yeah, so I just do one mistake over there. Select the other part, center line, and then you will get it properly. If you not select the center line thing, then it's not create proper loft. Then select front plane and design one center line over there of 45 mm. Then make one plane over there, make one circle of 35 mm, extrude it on below side. On other side make 55 mm dia circle and make it like that. That circle is on front plane also, just remember that. And then draw this sketch. It will take time, so just be prepared with your mind. You are going to put at least 2 to 3 hours to design these all things, and it is up to your skills. If you stuck at any point, you will lose more time over there. So try to do not stuck at any point. If you see my design thing, if you do not want to follow it, then just do it as you are doing it. Because every design has its own skills and own thinking capacity and imagination power. Then make one plane over there and make one circle 20 mm and 50 mm distance from apart. Then make one 3D sketch, put 2 stars over there on side plane. And one thing over here is that I make more mistakes over in this case, so just avoid it. You want one line on other side of first line, so you can skip 10 seconds over here. And then I just do more mistakes. Yeah, this happens when you design it. When you stuck at any point, you will get this star system is good. It will help to create any design on 3D on any surface or any space. the length of that line is 207.46 and it is apart from 60 mm, and the distance between two lines is 7.5 mm. See, I do lots of mistakes over here. Then I use simple concepts which I know, design it. Just put over the line, and hence I get one line over there. It is 207.46. Yeah, it is correct position, so don't go forward. It is correct position. Okay, then make some distance. It is 207.46 with 7.5 mm apart. And then the distance between two lines is 7.5, I told you. And then from the center the line distance is 125 mm. Select that point, join both the line and do fillet. Then do swept. Before that there is one sketch over there remaining. Just select the line and make one sketch over there. It is 3D sketch, don't forget that. 230 mm with length and then curve of 20 mm radius, and then do your sweep. And just hide all the sketch and all the planes, because it is just look like mess. Then we are going to make holes on the pipes. Before that we need to make one design over there, make one plane over there. It's plane, and make one circle of 30 mm with extrude over there up to the last point. Then make fillet. Do fillet wherever you want. If you want on left side, do left side, or whatever mm you want. What is your requirements? It's up to you. And we are going to make one middle rod over there. So make one curve, and then select that point and make one plane and do circle over there of, and you can get success. So just remember, while making the plane on the curve, just select that point and that curve, then you will get your plane over on that point. Then do that offset entities part over there. Before that we need to do the convert entity. Yeah, just do convert entity and do 1.5. You will get that hole over there. Just like that, do over here. I am also stuck over here for little time, so just you can go forward. We need to make 1.5 mm gap over there, 1.5 mm pipe. This is because for attaching other pipe over there. This is happening because and just do offset in reverse direction. Yeah, I got that. Another thing, and while doing extrude part, they are asking me to show the direction. You can see here I just do on other side the reverse things. So just be careful with that reverse part. Whenever you want that reverse in your offset, then do it over there. And up to the surface you will get that. You can select up to surface for in extrude and you can do it over there. And just like that, 1.5 mm gap, make one circle and do cut extrude part. And so you get one design. I just color it. Now we are going to make one circle over there, 40 mm. Extrude it 5 mm. Just do it on same thing on other side. You can use your offset thing which is present in extrude first box in sketchpen offset. You can see it. It give you the offset, means it will give you the length from the sketch to the where you want to do extrude. You can see over there the result. I just put 90 mm and it extrude on other side. So just again go to the sketch and then go to the extrude part and you will get extrude on both the side. So you don't need to make same design on both the side. You can do plain thing over here, but it will going to be very hectic. Then just make one new plane over there, and this is again the same thing, 10 mm thing. Here I am not going to stuck, so I just use my calm mind and put the thing properly. 10 mm 10 mm 10 mm with 10 mm half circle, semicircle, and then I do the fillet part wherever I want. You can follow the sketch also, and you can follow your wheel also. You can do it whatever you want to do in design. So I just do extrude on middle plane. One plane has 3 mm, other is 2 mm, and then I just remember one thing that, yeah, I will show you just a second. The distance between them is, we need 90 mm at least. So